What's good YouTube family, it's your girl Safia and I'm back with another video guys. Today this video I'm going to show you how to cook curry chicken. And yes, if you're a Jamaican, from I say curry chicken you're supposed to think about one type of curry, which is better pot curry. Alright, now Jamaicans have a history behind this curry because we classify this as the best curry in our country. If you're not from Jamaica, don't know your type of curry, but these are the Jamaican curry powder. See there? Better pot curry. So when I cook curry chicken in Jamaica, this is the curry you need to draw for. So guys, I already marinated my chicken. Well, I have my chicken seasoned up. Not even marinate, I would say. But I add some Maggi chicken seasoning and some Maggi all-purpose seasoning to this chicken. And now I'm going to be putting in my seasoning. So I have here some garlic, some thyme, some scallion. You know, some ginger have to be in my curry. Some onions and some scotch bonnet pepper. Now be careful with this one, but if you like your curry, don't watch that. So we're gonna just add the seasonings to the chicken. Throw in your thyme, scrape off your chopped scallion, your garlic. And guys, don't know about you guys, but I love curry. I love my curry chicken and I love my brown stew chicken. Alright, now when you're eating curry, most people like it extremely spicy. I don't like it too spicy, but I must be getting a hint of pepper. As you can see, I add a couple pieces of scotch bonnet well. So I add in my seasonings and now I'm going to mix this in. So we're going to mix in the seasoning now. Rub that all in, and also I'm going to be applying some of the curry powder to the chicken, and the rest I'm going to be using in the pot. So usually we'll burn the curry in some oil before adding in your meat. Rub that in and just let you get a close up of it. Then allow it to soak a little bit. Now I'm taking in and that's it again. Now guys, we're gonna add the water. Then I'm gonna add some water. have it, guys. Your nice pot of curry chicken.